On Africa's reefs, there's always a bigger fish in the sea, and dropping your guard could be the last thing you do. A nurse shark is on the prowl. He's a slow-moving bottom dweller, but that's part of his unique hunting strategy. Normally a night stalker, he's coaxed from his cave at the promise of his favorite food, octopus. Predator versus predator. Thanks to highly sensitive whisker-like barbels in front of his nostrils, no nook or cranny is beyond his grasp. The octopus flees for a bolt hole. Not fast enough. The shark's narrow mouth sucks the octopus from his hiding place. The octopus's venomous beak, like a knife at a gunfight, is no match for the shark's deadly grip.